Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Trends International Design Awards for 2025, where we celebrate the best in home design throughout Australia. Our awards are brought to you with the support of our major sponsor, Resine, and in association with trendsproperty.com. This presentation is proudly produced by Adjacent Communications. Now, to present the awards, please welcome the chairman of the judging panel, Mr. Paul Taylor.
Welcome to everyone joining us as we announce the results of the Trends International Design Awards for Australian homes, our third and final TIDA Awards announcement for 2025. We've seen a strong group of entries across all the different TIDA Homes categories, and I'd like to thank all the designers and architects who have submitted their work. I know these projects will have been the outcome of many months dedicated to the design and construction process, and so it can be a carefully considered decision to open them up to be judged in an awards programme as well. I'd also like to acknowledge the sponsors of this TIDA Homes presentation, so thanks to Resine and Adjacent Communications. A feature of many of this year's entries was how the design breaks up the overall structure to create different functional zones that suit today's lifestyles, for example, creating different wings for parents and children. While in many of the homes it's been important to maintain a consistent look across these structures, in some cases the zone forms have been emphasised by varying the cladding material used. Inside, there's been a continued move to warm up the interiors with timber and pops of colour in furnishings and artwork, sometimes set against a backdrop of in situ concrete walls. So those are some of the features you'll see as we reveal this year's award winners. TIDA Homes includes awards for new homes, renovations and interiors produced by architects, building designers and interior designers. While there can only be one winner in each of the categories, there are a number of quality projects that definitely deserved recognition and have received highly commended awards. So you'll be able to see those entries in the awards galleries that will be available on the TIDA Australia Homes page on trendsideas.com when this presentation is finished. Moving on now to our announcements here today. First up are the runners-up in the different categories, and in one category the judging was so close that it was decided to present two runner-up awards. Congratulations to this year's runners-up. Impressive projects that we'll be showcasing further in the various Trends channels in the coming weeks. And now it's time for our final awards, our category winners. Each of these 6 homes illustrates excellence in understanding the owner's brief and overcoming any challenges that the site presented to create unique homes that leave a lasting impression, whether it's an ultra-contemporary coastal home or a more traditional style renovation in a suburban setting. First up is our award for the best apartment. Winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Apartment of the Year is David Hicks.
Set in the vibrant heart of Melbourne's Collingwood neighbourhood, this spacious penthouse crowns a converted garment factory. Spread across 350 square metres and 2 levels, the apartment distills the raw industrial character of its surroundings into a refined and contemporary home, one that honours its heritage with calm sophistication. Instead of solid partitions, subtle shifts in material and tone define each space, creating a natural sense of openness and flow. A full-height glass facade spans the length of the apartment, bathing it in natural light and framing uninterrupted views of the city skyline. The glazing leads into an informal lounge, home to a grand piano and a collectible Yves Klein coffee table and Dale Frank painting. These 2 vivid pieces anchor the room, adding colour, depth and energy while maintaining a timeless sense of elegance that transcends the typical neutral palette. In the dining room, a soft blue Murano glass chandelier and Sokwan Tran landscape bring a quiet balance to the more muted tones of the space. Meanwhile, honed grey marble, pale timber veneer and stainless steel accents in the kitchen subtly reference the building's industrial past with a polished contemporary edge. The TIDA judges were impressed by the penthouse's elevated sophistication, an interior that draws on New York loft inspiration, celebrating raw textures and gallery-like proportions. Congratulations to David Hicks, winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Apartment of the Year.
Our second award today is for interior design and goes to a unique island holiday home. Winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Interior Design of the Year is Mark Garcesa of Ultraspace.
This unique residence is a place for family and friends to gather, a weekend island retreat where memories are made. But it's much more than just a guest house. It's an immersive architectural experience, one that draws its occupants into a dramatic interplay of structure and nature, light and shadow, rugged durability and refined luxury. The fun boutique hotel aesthetic combines a robust industrial feel with a lush jungle-inspired atmosphere, adventurous yet welcoming. A new internal layout reuses and adapts the existing steel portal frame, originally engineered to withstand high winds and cyclones. Each of the 3 upper-level suites has its own unique theme and decor, while the 6-bed bunk room is designed to be playful, safe and comfortable, complete with plenty of charging facilities for everyone. The home is filled with distinctive, imaginative features. 2 illuminated steel porthole windows are cantilevered through the structure, upholstered and softly lit to create a perfect spot for quiet retreat. At its centre, a custom-made steel and acrylic spiral staircase glows with concealed lighting, leading up to a catwalk and the suites beyond, adding a sense of drama and adventure. For the TIDA judges, this is a residence that delights and surprises at every turn, while the technology behind the scenes allows it to operate completely off-grid and self-sufficiently. Congratulations to Mark Garcesa of Ultraspace, winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Interior Design of the Year.
Now we have our 2 awards for renovated homes, projects that give a new lease of life to tired and dated structures from previous decades, dramatically transforming them for modern lifestyles. Winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Designer Renovation of the Year is Yanak Daleki of Ann Daleki.
This thoughtfully reworked Federation home was designed for a family of 5 seeking comfort, flexibility and a relaxed lived-in feel. The house is arranged around 3 distinct zones, responding to the owner's desire for spaces with different degrees of retreat. The historic front section is dedicated to the children, with 3 bedrooms and a shared lounge for gathering and recreation. Natural stone flooring leads into the new addition, where a timber-lined ceiling guides you through to an open kitchen and dining area, paired with an intimate sunken lounge. Broad sliding doors open into a generous alfresco area, complete with barbecue, sunken fire pit, and a sculpted lagoon-style pool, offering a series of inviting spaces for family life or effortless entertaining. Painted brick, stone, and timber flow seamlessly between indoors and out, creating a strong connection with the landscape. Timber-lined stairs lead to the parents' retreat, perched like a sanctuary among the treetops. A walk-through robe connects the bedroom to a serene ensuite, featuring a sculpted shower alcove, freestanding bathtub, and a porthole window framing lush foliage. The TIDA judges felt this renovation perfectly supports the ebb and flow of family life. Refined but never precious, the home balances honest materials, clever planning, and layered zones of retreat, allowing every family member to feel completely at ease. Congratulations to Yannick Dalecki Dalecki, winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Designer Renovation of the Year.
And now for our second renovation category award, winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Architect Renovation of the Year is Chan Architecture.
A thoughtful renovation and extension of a 1920s Art Deco residence has created this sophisticated family home, which is both timeless and distinctly modern. The original front of the house has been meticulously preserved with its Art Deco character enhanced, while a new staircase has been seamlessly integrated into the existing footprint. At the rear, a dramatic new volume houses the kitchen, dining, and living areas. The southern side of the addition is anchored along the boundary, while the northern facade opens fully with floor-to-ceiling glazing. Designed to flood the home with natural light, this creates a strong visual and functional connection between indoors and out. A long skylight draws daylight deep into the southern side of the space, creating a bright and balanced interior. From the outside, the extension is unapologetically contemporary, a minimalist, dark-toned form defined by clean lines and sculptural intent. Inside, rich, tactile materials bring warmth and luxury. Black cabinetry, natural marble, and timber veneers are balanced with limed engineered flooring, creating a space that feels both elegant and inviting. Each bathroom is uniquely styled with handcrafted feature tiles, adding moments of craft and detail that elevate the everyday. Recognised by the TIDA judges, this home is a compelling example of how sensitive heritage renovation can coexist with bold contemporary design, resulting in a residence of enduring character. Congratulations to Chan Architecture, winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Architect Renovation of the Year.
Finally today we have our two New Home Awards. Winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Designer New Home of the Year is Alex Urena Design Studio.
Concrete is part of the extended family business of the owners of this property, so it's no surprise that it features strongly in the design of their sleek contemporary new home. The C-shaped structure sits at the rear of the site, allowing every living area and room to face the front garden and enjoy an abundance of natural light. At the street frontage, a garage clad in natural stone and black charred timber sets the tone. The stone continues along the lower level, while above, an exposed perforated concrete eave leads the way to the main living spaces at the back. Behind the garage lies a guest suite, followed by a rumpus room that doubles as a private guest living area when needed. Upstairs, the children's wing includes 3 bedrooms and a shared bathroom. Opposite this, the parents' retreat, clad in black charred timber, completes the C-shaped form. Between these 2 wings, a concrete volume houses the kitchen, dining and living areas, all opening to a timber deck and the garden beyond. Inside, an exposed concrete wall contrasts beautifully with a stucco fireplace and polished concrete floors. Another concrete wall accompanies the floating tread staircase, which features a custom recessed handrail in concrete and timber, complete with integrated lighting. The TIDA judges praise the home's simple form and robust material palette, which clearly define each zone and create a design that feels bold and confident inside and out. Congratulations to Alex Urena Design Studio, winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Designer New Home of the Year.
Just occasionally, we have an entry that pushes the architectural boundaries of what a home can be. And that's undoubtedly the case in our second New Home Award today. Winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Architect New Home of the Year is C+C Architects and Builders.
Commissioned by a dynamic family of 4 who regularly welcome guests, this project replaces a modest, weathered fisherman's cottage with a striking contemporary multi-level home. Designed to celebrate its spectacular coastal views, north towards North Bondi and south towards Coogee, the house blends modern Australian living with refined bespoke detailing. It's a true sanctuary, a place for relaxing, socialising and growing together, reflecting the owner's deep love of beachside living, where swimming, snorkelling and entertaining are part of everyday life during Sydney's vibrant summers. The social spaces sit on the top floor, capturing both north and south coastal views. An elevated concrete pool offers the perfect place to cool off while the surrounding living areas enjoy sunlight all day. On the ground floor, the more private zones, including bedrooms, a gym and a wine cellar, are open to a sunken central courtyard, while a dramatic triple-height spiral stair becomes the sculptural heart of the home. Suspended bridges across the courtyard encourage the family to step outdoors as they move between spaces. The TIDA judges were impressed by the home's bold visual presence and its forward-thinking design, a seamless fusion of personal history, innovation and relaxed coastal living. Congratulations to C+C Architects and Builders, winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Architect New Home of the Year.
Congratulations again to all our 6 category winners, who now go forward into the international section of TIDA Homes to be judged again, this time alongside award winners from other countries. You'll find full coverage of today's winners and the other results on the TIDA Australia Homes page on trendsideas.com. Plus, look out for our e-newsletters and our social media posts. We'll be back in 2026 when we're looking forward to showing you more world-class homes by Australian architects and designers. Thanks again for watching today, and see you soon for the next instalment of the Trends International Design Awards.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our ceremony for the TIDA Home Awards for 2025. Thank you again to our sponsors for their ongoing support. This awards presentation is proudly produced by Adjacent Communications. For more information about all our award winners, visit trendsideas.com. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you again next time for the Trends International Design Awards.